We are now on day 66 and welcome to the 5 Luo words a day. In today's video, we talk about ara, aram, arangri, arangrang. Welcome and be sure to subscribe and to give it a thumbs up. So ara is, first of all, you pronounce as ara or ara. It is an agreement or sometimes in jest and sometimes with reluctance. In a sentence, I could say, ara kelwa mondo watiek wachno piyo. So this would mean, okay, so bring it so that we can clear up the matter immediately. Ara kelwa mondo watiek wachno piyo. Ara. And our second word is aram. Aram. Aram would have been, maybe it has origins from Swahili, which is haramu. Haramu. So aram means to defraud or to extort from someone. And as I said, it might be coming from Swahili word. In a sentence, you can say, awino en aram. Nyocha omiyo ohala owanga. Awino en aram. Nyocha omiyo ohala owanga. Then our third word of the day is aram. Aram, and aram is a boundary. Dala ne chopo aram kacha. Dala ne chopo aram kacha. Now there's also a place called Aram in Sakwa, in Asembo, those sides of Asembo, there's a place called Aram. Number 4 is arangri. Arangri. Arangri is a non-poisonous snake. Some are black and having reddish spots. And please, it's not the one on the screen. This is just for illustration purposes. So in a sentence, you can say, Tuol mar arangri ka okai to ok nyal negi. Tuol mar arangri ka okai to ok nyal negi. And our last word of the day is arangrang. Arangrang. Arangrang is something that is pale in color, especially used on animals like cows, a pale cow, and now you can use pale floor tiles. In a sentence, you can say, Dier ode ni kod rangi ma arangrang. Dier ode ni kod rangi ma arangrang. So his floor is pale in color. Great, that brings us to the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed this, and please remember to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends so that you can join the 5 Luo word a day revolution and learn 5 Luo words a day. I hope to see you tomorrow and good night. Have a great day.